let's talk about what's happening here. This side of the pond gets these veins in them, and it's really bad up here. I can't even walk through it. Holes, sinkholes, erosion, and it's eroding into the pond. And what I want to do is dig out on that side, which has the same issue, dig out there and fill in over here. But I'm taking from one side, putting on the other. It's probably going to get bigger on that side. I am not going to fill in the edge of the pond here. I just want to fill in some of these holes so it's not such a hazard. I'm going to rough grade it with the skid track loader, and we'll see how it goes. Right now I have to put I have a 36 inch smooth bucket, ditch cleaning bucket that I have to put on the excavator. First time I've had it on. We'll see how that goes. Bucket is oversized for this machine. It's a loaner bucket from the dealer, and man, it's perfect for this job. I'm running about 2200 RPM. I hate to run a machine full throttle right out of the gate. Fast enough, and you learn real fast, especially, let's face it, I'm inexperienced with a track loader, but you learn real fast. Track loader that I'm rocking around. That speed, you can see how sensitive this control is. And the machine's on an off-camber downhill. By the way, I could not do this with a tractor. It's my tractor. It is not stable enough. I know some people are going to say you could do it with a tractor. You can see me bouncing around. I could not even mow that with a tractor. It would tip over. And even with our Kubota at work that has a wider stance, it was just too off camber. Even muscle memory getting in and out of this track loader. I have to get that down. It took me a while to learn how to get in and out of the excavator. Guys that do it every day, I'm sure it's not a big deal. For me, it was. Now let's see if I can scrape up. Again, this is a job for a 4-in-1 bucket. I wish I had. Let me see if I can scrape this stuff up. And what's nice about this, obviously, is you can see the cutting edge. Again, guys that run these for a living know that. I'm learning. Did a nice job it did scraping that up. Bobcat, back the throttle down. Bobcat does not have a backup camera available. They have some type of shortage. So these areas will dry up, and I could even maybe rake them up, hopefully, when they dry up. The rain and grass that will grow through, I'm not worried about it. This is not a finished lawn area by any means. The same with here. You can see where the 10,000-pound excavator is leaving some ruts here. I'm going to try to smooth those out with the track loader, and I bet you it will. That thing has wide tracks, very light load, and I bet you I can smooth these ruts out if I'm careful and don't end up getting stuck. You can see the area I'm filled over there. This is the third load, and I probably have 2 more and I'm done. I'm just doing one side, and we'll see how it settles in. In this play, in this heat that we're having this summer, this will, I am fairly certain, this is going to dry up really fast. We keep getting this sunlight and the heat. It's got to be 80 degrees today. Very low humidity. Oh, and I'm in a rut. Again, I would never do this with a tractor. You can see me rocking. Do it with a tractor. Now, I am not telling people get rid of your tractors. I'm not at all saying that. I could have rented this machine, so please don't think I'm saying that. By the way, you could do it with a tractor if you really took your time and filled from the furthest point away from the pond, filled it, let it settle in, compact it, come back a couple days later and hit it again. I really wish I had that backup camera. So this is a good start of getting the deep ruts, and I hit one rut off camera that was so deep that the controls are so sensitive on that machine that the machine started bobbling and rocking, and it shut the controls off. Knows it had an inexperienced operator, right? So that will dry up in the next couple of days or week, no doubt about that. And hopefully what I did was, like, when I dug in with the excavator, then after I went back and I packed the sides best I could, hopefully to keep it from eroding the edge. That went through here with no problem, and this is soft. I'm glad I went with those wide tracks. So I'm gonna see if I can drive over the ruts the excavator made. I'm gonna see if I can drive these ruts out. Let's go back and forth and see what happens. It really did an awesome job. I don't want to get too much closer. It doesn't seem to be, this corner's kind of tough. Maybe I'll go back and forth. Smoothed out a lot of them. I'll try one more pass here. Marauders, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, a little different video. Been putting off doing this pond, digging out the side that's eroding in and cleaning it up. For dry enough conditions and the right equipment. I guess I have the right equipment now. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video, and sharing it with a friend. Of course, I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you and God bless. These bobcats are quiet. Oh my God. I got it muddy. I hate the mud.